In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Face Unlock. Then enter your current login method and click on Register Face Data right away. Then hit Continue after reading all the instructions and select Next. Now get ready, hit Start and remember to keep your face in frame. If you never used your Face Unlock before, hit Allow in the pop-up. Then select Turn On and manage all of those options. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!